Hello friends, welcome to Cloud Institution. This video series is about Microsoft Excel. It is used as a data analytics tool. In this series, let's start with Excel basics. And here we are going to look at Excel, which is an electronic spreadsheet. Data is stored in rows and columns, and each row column intersection is called as a cell. This is most basic, and let's see how it is all designed. So if you look at this particular screen, the section highlighted here is called as the ribbon. Okay. And then if you look at this section here, which is highlighted, it's basically an intersection between a row and a column. So if you see, the columns start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H like that. And then the rows are from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So basically a cell is an intersection between a row and a column. And each row and column intersection has an address. So if you see, it is H4 here, which means that we are in H and 4. It's called as a cell address. Right on the top here, which is where we have file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, etc. These are all the menu bar. Okay, we have different menus here. And then if you look at the small icons or the pictures here, they are called as tools. Here there is an example of how the data can be entered in Excel. We are going to see that live. Right now, if you see, the data is here, we have name and college, like there is a set of students and set of college names. And then you should know that in every workbook, there are different sheets. Okay. So here, actually, if you see, there is a worksheet 1, and then we have sheet 2, and we can actually add more sheets. We'll see that as we progress. Okay. So let's start with Excel and how we are going to enter the data. So when I move to Excel here, you already know that this section is called as a ribbon, and here we have sheet, and we can add a sheet with the plus sign. Okay, so this was a sample data. Let me delete this data here and let us do it once again. So for example, we write here as name and use a tab on your keyboard to move to the right side, and then we can write college. Okay, and let us write some names of the student, like Kiran, like Manoj, Seema, Ritu, and things like that. And then college names can be there, like National College. Maybe we can write GCC College. Okay, there could be MES College or any other college like ABC College, whatever it is. If you want more columns, you can start doing more. Like for example, here if you want phone number, you can write phone numbers here. Okay, like that. Okay, that's how it is. And whenever I move from a particular cell, like here we are in G2, and you can find that in this particular box, it's called as a name box. And if I move it to, let's say right here, it is C1, and we can see there is a B column and A column also. Okay, like that. So you can try entering the data and look at various options over here as an introduction to Excel. All right, let's take sheet 2 here and write some more data. Let's say here it is item, and here it is price. So for example, there could be some items like mouse, laptop, screen, okay, speakers, and a mobile phone. You can actually put the price here. Let's say mouse is 600, laptop is 45,000, a screen is like 5,000, speakers are for 4,000, and mobile phone is for 50,000, like that. So you can actually start trying this, and in the next video we will go to next options in Excel. Okay, so once again, welcome to Cloud Institution, and you can always get in touch with us by visiting our website. Let me show you. You can go to internet and just type www.cloudinstitution.com. Okay, and you will be able to visit us. You can also call us by using contact us option. All right, so see you in the next video. Till then, please practice.